Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, we're going to do a bit of a prediction video. And yeah, look, right, could be way off with this. The market is looking very, I guess, volatile is probably the best way to articulate it. But we called in May that the bottom was going to be in June. June came, that was, you know, the bottom up to that point, the 18th of June. And at that point, I said it doesn't feel like it should really feel. That I don't think that was the bottom, and that I expected lower lows. Now, we've articulated this gone against the grain, really, seeing lots of people telling us that, you know, we will call people lucky for, you know, buying in June and all this nonsense, right? And I really wanted to just put out a video to, you know, kind of articulate my thoughts on the actual market, because, you know, they were pointing at indicators and I was pointing at, you know, basically everything that's happening in the real world, right? And trying to be a realist about it. So I've got a prediction. I want to go through some articles and then tell you towards the end of this video as to what my expectations are. So if you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Jump in our Discord, link is in the description of the video. Over 4,850 members there now, chatting with one another, supporting one another, navigate the space safely. It's an amazing place. And I think what we're going to see is something that Nick and myself have been talking about for some time, and that is the opportunity of your lifetime to build generational level wealth. That is kind of what we're all about here. It's our strapline: build generational level wealth for many. And bear market is where Nick and myself do our bread and butter, and, you know, it's where all of the gains are made, you know, through lots of hard work and research, and, you know, having your fingers on the pulse, right? Making sure that you retain your capital in a volatile market, whilst also finding great gems of the future that are going to build huge sums of money. This is what we pride ourselves on here at Cheeky Crypto, and I think we're doing a fantastic job. But you let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Do you think we've navigated this bear market impeccably like I do? Let me know. Really interested to get your views and opinions. And let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start here, right? Lots of people saying that this isn't actually just a standard crypto winter, right? And I would kind of agree, depending on who is actually saying it and how they're articulating it. This, for me, is crazy. I think that, you know, you've just got to look across the other markets to see that, you know, it's not just crypto that's being impacted by everything that's happening in the real world, right? We're in a recession, whether people want to change the terms of what a recession is. So it, you know, so they can say we're not in one, we're in one based on what a recession has always been, you know, framed as, right? So look, we're going to see lots of headlines saying it's over, get out of crypto, you know, it's a bubble, you know, all the usual stuff we've seen in, you know, many of the other bear markets. And you know, fool me once, you don't fool me twice is kind of, I guess, a saying that people should really consider, you know, looking at. Now, when it comes to the, I guess, the crypto bottom being in argument, I will kind of want to make this video and then just kind of step away from it for a bit. I want to kind of give you my views on how I see the lay of the land and where I think it's going to go, purely based on fundamentals. None of this BS around indicators and, you know, Bitcoin halvings and all this nonsense that a lot of others are looking at, right? They can look at that and maybe it'll line up, maybe it won't. But I think that the crypto bottom is not going to come in until we see several countries, for example, the US, another one would be China, UK, and various others around the world, dump the amount of crypto that they're holding. I think until that happens, the bottom isn't in. It's just my thoughts, my opinions. I have no idea when they're going to do it, why they're going to do it, but I just can't see them holding it for long. The US has over $4.4 billion worth of cryptocurrency. I've mentioned this several times. China has over 6 billion in crypto holdings. For me, you know, it's craziness. Now, you know, to compound the ongoing impacts that we've had from FTX, I expect further downside, to hit a lot of the targets. Our Patreon members, and link is in the description if this is of interest to you, we have our buy zones. Nick reviews these each week, tries to keep them up to date, and we've got a refreshed version of that after everything FTX. We've seen the hacker of FTX now, ranking 35th by largest holder of ETH, and we're going to see, potential price dips on many different altcoins that are impacted by everything FTX. So, keep an eye on that. We're really looking at exposure of exchanges and hedge funds and family offices and all these things that, are mechanisms to, see the price come down. Obviously, we've got here Coinbase. FTX will likely lead to an extended crypto winter. Now, I guess we get to the point that probably everybody's tuned in for, right? What is my prediction? Bearing in mind, we called it in May that June would be the bottom. We then said on the 18th that actually we don't think it is the bottom and to expect lower lows. We've been covering in the Discord that FTX was going to happen before it happened, before 𝗕𝗓 called it out. I highlighted BlockFi, I highlighted many other exchanges and lending platforms, and we're seeing them fall like dominoes. Now, the Discord is the place to be. Nick and myself, we only do so many videos a day. We don't talk about everything on YouTube and Twitch and on Twitter. We do talk about absolutely everything that's going on in this crypto space in the Discord. We can't just at the drop of a hat, do a stream or a video, whereas we can at the drop of a hat jump into Discord or Patreon. So do check out those. The Discord is absolutely free. Everybody has been kept up to date on what to expect. Lots of our community have saved an awful lot of money, and they're going to continue to follow us, and hopefully they're going to make lots of money as we continue to navigate this space. So that time has come. My prediction for when the bottom is likely to be in. Now, I need to be, transparent. This is as I see the market currently. We will continue to keep you up to date in the Discord as to, whether things change. But I think the bottom is likely to be in within the next 4 to 6 months. Based on everything we've covered in this video and everything that I see happening in the space, this is an ample opportunity to build generational level wealth. Let me know your predictions for when you think the bottom's going to be in the comments below. If you enjoyed this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.